All right, this should be a very quick video to show you how to do number 2 here, which is use the snipping tool. So if I'm going to come down here into this little bar and I'm going to type in snipping, and it should pop up. Most of you guys know how to do this, so hopefully you're not watching this video, but if you need to, you just say, hey, anytime you're using this, you say new, and you're just going to take something from your computer screen and copy it. So if you go to Google and you type in funny images, you pick one that you like. Okay, let's see it. I don't care which one it is, but you pick this one. All right, and then you use your snipping tool. You type in snipping, it pops up, and you say, give me a new thing that I want to cut and paste. Well, I only want, say, this image right here, so I just drag it, and that's it right there. Okay, and then I go back to my engineering document, and I can hit right click and hit paste if I want to, or I can hit Control V. Either one should insert that in there for me. So that is how you do that. Now, how do I shut off the screen?